Okay, today I thought we'd take a look at a variation of the Mr. Astronaut, which I did the three rebuild videos on, which you saw here. And after I did the last rebuild video on it, I had the one arm that was still kind of loose. I couldn't live with that, so I opened it up and I tightened that up so that the arms all swing like they're supposed to. But the variation that I'm showing you here today was sold as Zero of Space. And you can see it's basically the same robot. They put rounded type claws on it, changed some detail on the chest. This one has the flashing light in the eyes. This one doesn't. They put the flashing light in the chest with a different insignia, changed the ears. The face behind the screen is a little bit different. Basically, the robot's the same, just changed a few cosmetic things. There are catalog sightings for the Zero of Space in 1971, and there are catalog sightings for Mr. Astronaut in 1969. Doesn't mean they didn't come out earlier, it's just catalog sightings that we can go by. So for those of you that didn't watch the earlier videos on the Mr. Astronaut, I'll give you a short preview of that. They're very fast walkers. You can see he's got the blinking and the clicking. And here's the Zero of Space. He's got the flashing light in the chest. So there you have it. Your Zero of Space, your Mr. Astronaut. Two large plastic robots made in Hong Kong, basically in the late 60s and early 1970s.